Hey, I'm John. Welcome to Mr. G's Workbench. Time for hopefully a quick and succinct Workbench news episode. Just to give you a sense of where we're at, where we're going. We're up over 2,960 subscribers as of the recording of this video. Thank you all, each and every one of you. I can't thank you enough. Your vote of confidence in what I'm doing here is very much appreciated. And thank you very, very much to my channel members. That's their names there going up the screen now. Thank you guys for your additional support. If you're interested in becoming a channel member, you hit the join button at the bottom there on the screen, and it's $1.99 US a month, and that extra money goes towards getting kits and paints and stuff. We just did the F-16 build review. That was funded by my channel members. So thank you guys very much. Let's go and look ahead at what we've got coming up. As you know, we just finished the Tamiya 1/32 scale F4D. That was in the Texas Air Guard markings. The link to the playlist is up here now. If you watched it, you know I wasn't really thrilled with the final product, and that was my own doing. So a lot of lessons were learned in the course of that build. I was happy with some aspects of it, but kind of painting myself into a corner and imposing deadlines that didn't need to be imposed kind of ruined it for me. So there's that. So going forward, the next build up, we're going to go back to 1/48 scale. We're also going to go to a manufacturer that I've built more Kitty Hawk kits than I have Airfix, but we're going to tackle the Airfix S2B Buccaneer in 1/48 scale. Truth be told, I had started doing a build video for this. I was using Kits World's 3D instrument panels for the interior, and I had a lot of problems with them. I thought they would be different from the ones I used in the F-18 build that I had started. No, I had a lot of the same problems. So let me show you real quick where I got up to with that kit. Take a look. So this is where I was at with the Buccaneer. Like I mentioned a moment ago, I was starting a video on this project and had started working on it. I don't know what happened to that footage, so apologies there, but you can see I had the cockpit painted up. There's the assembled cockpit, and I had used the Kits World 3D instrument panels on it. They were not very good at all. I also had the seats done. Since that point, I got Eduard came out with their Eduard Space 3D printed cockpit components for the Buccaneer as well. I opted for these because they come with seat belts, which are going to come in really handy because Airfix didn't give you any seat belts. So there's seat enhancements in here along with the seat belts, and then those 3D instrument panels. So that's what we're going to be doing. We'll tackle that, and then we'll get on with the build. I think this will be a good build. So that's where I was at. We've got the Eduard Space 3D instruments now to use. I think they'll be a lot nicer. You know, no slight to Kits World, but your 3D instrument panels really still, they're not there yet. I don't think you should have put them out until they were comparable with Quinta, Red Fox, or any of the other brands. So there's that. After that, I plan on doing, we're going to go back to 1/32 scale. We're going to go to a World War II plane. We haven't done one in a while. We're going to be doing the P-51A Mustang, and it's the Hobbycraft kit. So let me take a look. I'll show it to you right now. So here's what I have for the P-51A Mustang. This is the ever popular, one of the only A model kits you can find anywhere. This is the Hobbycraft kit. Let me just show you what we got. I've accumulated a couple of things for it. All right, they give you these decals, which are printed by some mystery printer. I'm going to try not to use any of these. I used a Cricut cutter to create, I've got markings to paint the markings. So we're going to do that. You know, on the face of it, I like the look of the A model Mustang. So, considering this is one of the only games in town, this is what we're going to run with. My buddy Boyd recommended that I pick up these fishtail exhausts, the same ones that they use in the Spitfire. They'll work in the Mustang. Got a set of resin wheels from Barracuda Cast. Always a pleasure to use those. I've got a resin cockpit. I'm not going to take it out because there's too much shit in here. This is from Vector Resin. These have become increasingly hard to find. I lucked out. I think I ordered this from a guy in the UK. One of the only people I could find that had it in stock outside of Russia. And it's marked for the A36A, but it's the exact same cockpit that they sell for the P51A. I really like the look of this. It's olive drab. It's hard to mess up that paint job. So I'm looking forward to this. So that'll be second after the Buccaneer. And then the last build that I'm scheduling for now, we're going to do another helicopter. The last helicopter we did was the Zvezda Hind in check markings. I was very happy with it. I have never won anything at a competition with that kit. So be it. I've got another one planned in the future to do in flight. So in the meantime, we're going to do another helicopter. It's from a Ukrainian company, AMP. It's going to be their HH-43 Cayman Husky in 1/48 scale. Looks to be a really nice kit. Let me show you what's in the box. And AMP was very generous in what they give you. Their instructions look pretty nice. We're not doing the Royal Thai Air Force. We're doing the standard markings for the Cayman. It's going to look like that. So it's not the museum one. At least AMP was nice enough to let you know, yeah, that is the museum. So they give you, you've got lots of plastic here. And then they give you the decals. And then what I really like is they're going to give you some 3D instrument panels and seat belts. God bless them for doing it. So they give you that, they give you paint masks, and they give you a little bit of photo etch for the frame inside. I think that's behind the cockpit. So I'm looking forward to this because I really dig the Cayman Husky. So hope you guys like it too. So that looks to be a promising kit. I've loved the Husky since I was a little kid. It was in a big article in National Geographic about the U.S. Air Force. And I remember there being drawings and photos of it. I think it's a really cool helicopter. So that'll be up third. So that's what's coming up for now. Thank you guys very much for your support. If you watch one of my videos, the best thing you could do for me is either leave a comment or give me a thumbs up. That's like gold in YouTube land. The only way that my videos will get pushed out by YouTube is if they see that there's a lot of interaction. That's why people always say like and subscribe, like and subscribe. That's why they're saying it, because that's all part of the algorithm. So if you can, please give me a like, and it'd be very much appreciated. If you have something you want to say, good, bad, or indifferent, I accept all comments. If you go back, you can look at any of my videos. I don't slam people. I don't mute people. I don't take people's comments out. If you turn around and said that, hey, that build looks like a serious pile of dog shit, I'm going to leave it there because other people should be able to see your opinion and decide for themselves, either agree or disagree. So it is what it is, but input is greatly appreciated. Okay, guys? So, and girls, over 10% of the viewers apparently since I started this channel are women. Thank you, ladies, also very much. So that's going to do it for this quick Workbench update. That's where we're headed. We've got the Buccaneer, then we've got the Mustang, and then we've got the Cayman Husky. So hope you guys enjoy it. If you have anything that you want me to do, or you want to find out about any questions or anything, you can either email me, mrgsworkbench@gmail.com, or you can just leave a comment down below. All right? So until we get together again, thanks for stopping by. Take care. Stay well.